Hello everyone, now you have done your 10th class and that is after school. So after school 10th class, what you need to think? You need to think about the streams that which you have to choose, because if you want to be a doctor, you want to go in medical field, that time you have to take biology, or if you want to go in engineering field, that time you need to take mathematics. If you want to go in account person, then you need to take commerce or arts side. So generally the students, they get puzzled that what to choose and what to take. What they feel that there are only 4 options, but what I tell you that there are hundreds of options, more than that. Beyond these courses as well, there are several options that you can choose, you can think. Look, when we talk about after 10th class, so there can be 2 types of requirements. One, the student can go for a job, and the other is that he wants to continue his education. So continuing education means you need to find out your options and you need to know that what can be the best options. So here on this platform, SpectrumEduCart.com, here you will find hundreds of options, hundreds of courses that you can follow after 10. Because people don't follow, students don't know that they only know about the 4 options, that is just hardly bio, mathematics, commerce or arts, but there can be several options. There are, and here on this platform you would find all the options. So just you need to go in education section and just go into that, and in education section we'll find the complete information about education and hundreds of options, hundreds of courses that you can follow, you can see, you can find, you can build your career following those options. Or if you want to go in jobs, so there's a job tab, job option, and we have included private job and government job both. So there you can find the list. So whether you go for a job or not, but somehow it encourages you, it builds you, it gives you energy that yes, I can go to job, I can find a job as well. So there are several options like regarding job. When you will go in job options, you will find like 2 categories, government job or private job. So there are the options of private job, government job, or you can continue your education. Some of the students, sometimes they get failed and they don't get good marks, so they should not feel bad, because there is an option of NIOS as well. They can pass it in the same year following NIOS board. So there are hundreds of options when you have done your 10th class. So do one thing, that first of all, just go to the website SpectrumEduCart.com, and then there's an option that is after school. In after school there's an option after 10. Just go into that, you will find each and every information regarding job after 10th, education after 10th, government job after 10th, private jobs after 10th, so you can follow. And further, if you want more counseling, there's a counseling form. You can fill the form, that would come to us and somebody would contact you, would resolve your issues, your problems. You can contact us directly. There's a chat box as well on the website and you can chat with us. So resolve all the issues regarding your career counseling, and we are here to help you out in all these things. So thank you so much everyone. Follow us and resolve all the queries. Thank you. Good luck.